As a beginner, you sometimes get confused whenever a pro bass player is playing a worship song. For example, maybe if that player is playing a simple song that you know the song is going to a 4 progression, but all of a sudden the bass player and his team had to take that song to a 7th progression. You understand? So you get confused and be like, what is happening? It is no big deal, okay? In this video, I'll take you through this journey so that you'll understand the process. If you are new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see my number here, that is my WhatsApp number, or you see the link that will take you direct to my WhatsApp. Click to that link, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I'll be using a song for an example, and I'll be breaking this song into 3 steps, okay? The first one will be the easy one. The second one will be the simple progression, but a progression in that song will change, same to the third one, okay? So now let's look at the first step.
Only when you look, behold the author and the finisher of your faith. Hey. My brotherly, look to Jesus. My God. Please record it. Give it
Okay, so you saw the first one, I was playing it very simple, okay, and I was using the normal progression beginners will normally use in that progression, okay? So this is the simple progression of the song, and I'll be breaking them down for you, okay? Your 1, so 1, then you play your 4 5 5 1. So note this, when you are to play a progression on 1 5 1, just do it 1 4 5 5 1. You understand? So now to your 6 2 3 6. So this is a very cool fills you can use, okay, from your 6 to your 2. You understand? So 6 6 7 1 3 2 5 5 5 da 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 da. Okay, da da 6 6 7 1 3 4 da da 6 7 1 3 4 5 6 1 da 4 2 3 4 5 1 2 5 5 1. You understand? Okay, so this is the normal progression a beginner will expect a bass player to play. You understand? Understand this one, okay? I know the second step and the third step, you might not be ready for that yet, but I want you to understand something, okay? This is just a simple progression. Now let me show you the second step on how maybe a good player with his team will play the song, okay?
author and the finisher of your faith. Hey. My brotherly, look to Jesus. My God. Please record it. Give it my God, behold the Lamb of God that was slain.
So you saw that what I was playing here, some of the progression of this wasn't the same to the first one. You understand? Example. Da 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 da. You see, instead of you playing da 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 da, but now you are not doing it that way. Da da do. Your 1 2 da da 3. So then you continue to your 6. You see the 2 difference, okay? Da 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 da. So instead of me to end on my 5, I ended on my 4 with a vam, okay? Just that the song wasn't having that vamming thing, so I just had to play it with something cool. You understand? You can learn it with your drummer. You understand? Okay, so this is what I did. One. You see, so your 1, then you play 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3. You understand? So to my 6, I did something like this. You understand? So it is 7, 3, 6. You understand? Da 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 da. Okay, so you can learn it. Okay, so da 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 da. You understand? So now to your 2. I did this in the first step. Okay, so 6, 7, 1, 3, 2. So now da 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 da. You understand? So here, what you need to do is when you're playing this VAM, make sure you do that with your drummer, as in fading it from 0, like you understand? It's a very cool professional way you can also learn. Okay, da 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 da. You understand? After playing the 4, then 3, 7, 6, you see the 2 difference. Okay, so 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 7, 3, 6. Then you continue with the groove. Okay, da, 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 da. Okay, so I hope you have seen the 2 difference between the first one and the second one. Okay, I have a very nice bass line. Actually, I have a very nice bass line for this groove. So if you want to get access to that bass line, you can hit me up on my Patreon or private lesson. I can share the bass line with you. Okay, so now let's jump to the third one.
Finisher of your faith, hey. My brotherly, love to Jesus. My God. Please record it. Yeah, it's
Okay, so what I was playing here is also a different progression. You understand? Da, 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 da. You see the difference? Okay, so as time goes on, as you upgrade your skills, the more you upgrade your skills, the more your musical ears will also be upgrading. Okay, this one goes your 1, 4, 3. Then I did the lick over here. You understand? So 3, 7, 3, 6 as normal. Okay, so the changes that occurred over here was 1, 4, 3. So you see the difference. So the first one was simple, the second one, the third one, you see, but all of this are matching together. You understand? Da, 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 da. You understand? Okay, so you saw that the second one I ended on my 4, so now I am ending on my. You understand? You can only use this kind of progression if you and your keyboardist or your instrumentalist match together. In case maybe you are playing the tour and your keyboardist is playing another progression, it won't match. Okay, so you need to match with them, rehearse with them on what you've learned. You understand? Okay, so do, then you play your T, Mi. So I now hope you've understand the difference between the 3. Okay, so it only takes time for you to play this. It depends on your musical ear. You understand? You might even be a very good player, but you can be playing it simple. You understand? I want you to take time and go through this video. But I think, guys, this is the end of the video. I want you to understand the concept of this video. Okay, so if any information or any question, hit me in the comment section below. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.